welcome to your own channel Harry the Insurance and Compliance Expert. This video is a continuation of my previous videos wherein we talked about how to read and understand the policy terms and policy document in simplified words. If you have missed my previous video, you can go to the above link. The previous videos are explaining the terms in simplified words like what is premium payment frequency, policy anniversary date, maturity date, date of commencement of policy, date of commencement of risk, premium, policy year, policy term and premium paying term. In this video friends, we learn the four new terms which is sum assured, sum insured, grace period and free look cancellation period. Now let's understand what is sum assured. Sum assured is a term which is applicable in case of life insurance contract. It is a pre-decided amount which will be payable by the life insurance companies to you or to your nominee in the event of either death or on the maturity of your policy, depending upon the nature of plan you have. In case of endowment plan, this sum insured may be payable at the time of maturity or death, or generally in case of term insurance, this event occurs in case of death where sum assured is payable to the nominee. Now what is sum insured? This is a term generally used in case of the general insurance contract, because in case of general insurance contract, the company doesn't pay you the full amount for which the risk is covered. The company pays you up to the amount of loss. This concept in general insurance is known as the concept of indemnity, where the insured is compensated up to the amount of loss and not to the full sum insured for which he is covered. Now let's understand what is grace period. In life insurance contract, you have to pay the premium before the due date. If you don't pay the premium, your policy will be lapsed. Generally, the life insurance companies allows you to pay additional amount of time to pay the premium, which is generally if you have chosen the monthly mode, the grace period will be 15 days, and if you have chosen the premium payment mode quarterly, half yearly or annually, the time period which company will allow you as a grace period will be 30 days. Now generally the question is asked, what will happen in case of life insurance contract if the premium is not paid during the grace period and the death of the life assured happens? So friends, listen, this is very important, very carefully. If the life assured dies during this grace period, the company will pay the claim after deducting the full amount of premium for that year. Yes, so the risk coverage is available in case of life insurance contract during the grace period, and the company will pay the sum insured to the nominee after deducting the full amount of premium for that respective year. But yes, if the premium is not paid during the grace period and then the policy will be lapsed, and if death happens after the policy is lapsed, then no amount is payable even if there is a death. My viewer asked question ki whether the grace period is available in case of general insurance contract also or not. So friends, in case of general insurance contract, generally the grace period is not available. However, in case of health insurance contract, the grace period will be available depending from 15 days to 30 days as per your premium payment frequency and policy terms. You have to refer to the policy terms for this. And friends, please listen carefully. If there is a claim, for example, there is a health insurance claim in your health insurance policy during the grace period and you have not paid the premium, the claim will not be paid by the company. Yes, though you can revive your policy, the company will give you additional coverage during that grace period to pay your premium, but the risk cover is not available during that period, unlike in life insurance contracts. Now what is free look period? So this is a very interesting concept in life insurance policies. If after the receipt of your policy, you go through the policy terms condition and you find that policy is not same what is explained to you, then this clause gives you right to cancel the policy. So the free look period is generally 15 days from the receipt of the policy, and if you have buy the policy in distance marketing mode or through internet or through telesales, this period is generally 30 days. So during this free look period, if you are not happy with the terms and condition, you feel that you have been cheated, you can cancel the policy. Then insurance company will refund your amount after deducting certain expenses. If you want to know more about this free look cancellation concept, so there is a separate video which explain this concept in detail. You can go to the above link and refer that video. That will be helpful. So I believe, friends, the terms explained will be very knowledgeable to you. In my next video, I will explain certain new terms which will be helpful to you to take full benefit of your life insurance contract. Thank you very much, friends.